In this video I'm going to show you how to use bio oil for scars, wrinkles and stretch marks for great skin results. Bio oil is an amazing skincare product that helps with a number of skin issues like wrinkles, stretch marks, uneven skin tone and dryness. It works wonders if you use it regularly and can help you achieve the skin of your dreams. Let's take a closer look at bio oil. Bio oil is an oil derived from calendula, lavender, rosemary and chamomile oil. The formula also contains a breakthrough ingredient called PurCellin Oil, which is a replica of the oil that ducks produce to keep their feathers waterproof. This oil changes the formulation's overall consistency, making it light and non-greasy, and makes it highly effective for numerous other skin concerns including aging skin and dehydrated skin. The product is suitable to use for all skin types and helps to promote healthy and radiant skin. So how does it work? Well, it works slowly. If you use it daily for at least 3 months, then you should be able to see a noticeable difference in any of your skin conditions. So how do you use bio oil? Well, you need to massage it into the affected area in a circular motion until it has been completely absorbed, and do this twice a day until you notice a difference. Do it before bedtime, as this is the way the oil can be absorbed through the night, and it will be more beneficial as compared to the application during the day. So if you want to use it for stretch marks, this is the best way to use it. The oil helps to reduce the possibility of stretch marks from forming during teenage growth spurts, pregnancy and periods of rapid weight gain. And also it can improve the appearance of existing stretch marks. It is safe to use for pregnant women and works really by maximising the skin's elasticity, thereby reducing the possibility of stretch marks. By keeping the skin moisturised and ensuring the skin maintains its maximum elasticity, this is the body's best defence against the formation of stretch marks. So to use it, it's similar as before. Massage the oil in a circular motion into the stretch marks twice daily for a minimum of 3 months. During pregnancy, it should be applied from the start of the second trimester to areas that are prone to stretch marks such as the abdomen, breasts, lower back, hips, buttocks and thighs. So how can we use bio oil for wrinkles? Well, bio oil is a mixture of plant extracts and oils which will help to reduce the inflammation and condition the skin in a much better way than any other product available in the competing market. Its unique formulation that combines vitamins, plant extracts and oils help to increase the moisture content of the epidermis, reducing the itch of the stretchy skin which comes with the aging of skin. As an oil, it becomes really important to note that it can get a bit heavy and can overload and clog your pores with continued use. So use it on a specific area rather than all over your face, especially if you're still suffering from acne. A tiny dab with a cotton bud doused in bio oil onto the exact area will suffice. You may want to use bio oil in another way, such as treating it for scars. If you do, you can apply bio oil on that area until you notice the fading of that scar. It does seem to work well on fading scars, and this is down to its breakthrough ingredients as discussed earlier. If you have uneven skin tone, then there is no need to worry, as you can massage skin daily for a few weeks using bio oil. With each usage, you will find your skin tone improving. Also, after a tiring day, if you want to soothe your tired and dull looking eye area, then apply bio oil under the eyes and massage it gently to soothe and also fade any dark circles. If you do suffer from dark to cracked elbows and knees, you can also apply bio oil regularly to soften and lighten the area over time. Bio oil is also made up of a wonderful concoction of calendula, lavender and rosemary oils and chamomile extract, which are all calming ingredients and work well for treating sunburns. Peeling cuticles are also common in any season. They can be treated by applying bio oil on a Q-tip and rub it into and around the nails at bedtime for a week to see the difference. If you have chronic dry skin, then using bio oil can help to moisturise and hydrate the area really well. You can also use it for an intensive body moisturiser, as the product is easily absorbed by the skin without any stickiness. Bio oil will soothe, nourish and hydrate your lips too, and protect them from the cold, harsh weather, which is perfect for any winter season. Bio oil also helps to improve the appearance of new or old scars, whether from surgery, accidents, burns, scratches, or conditions such as acne or chickenpox. It helps by improving the overall texture and tone of the scar and surrounding skin. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use bio oil for scars, wrinkles and stretch marks for great skin results, and if you have, please give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use aloe vera gel for great glowing skin. Thanks for watching and bye for now.